Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Reverse transcriptase is what is transcriptase? It is RNA dependent DNA polymerase is reverse transcriptase. So this is this gene will mainly use RNA template and it uses RNA template and synthesizes DNA using the reverse transcriptase genome, and this becomes the double stranded DNA. Okay, so this is mainly used by the HIV and other retroviruses will use this RNA dependent DNA polymerase. Thank you.
thank you and thank you for watching.